or alliance chief minister will come, or somebody else will come, or we will import. So some people are also talking some import will come from some other party. That is, these are all speculation. These are all news in the air. So I told the central leader, NITIN GADKARI, to tell the media. From the media, let it go to the people of Goa that there is no change in chief minister. That is Manohar Parrikar. He will get well and come back to Goa and.
Why this issue of leadership discussed when mining?
I told him this was the last discussion because these are the rumors being spread all over the world. All the social media is reporting this. Some news channels are also reporting this. Some print media is reporting this. People are started talking about this every corner. So let it be very clear.
So what other issues were discussed?
So
what other issues were discussed?
These are all mining issues. I think he will.
नाही पण तुझ्यासारखे आणि कोणी व्ह्यू एक्सप्रेस केला की लीडर
Then
तोच
I
जाय
said,
म्हणून
this everybody agreed that this is a rumor, and everybody said yes, this is a rumor which is being spread. He said I will clarify it tomorrow with the media. I said I requested him that you need to clarify this because there is there is something which is being spread that this government is not stable because of this news. Manohar Parrikar is being likely to be removed as a chief minister. Because of that, there is instability which is happening. It is shown, projected like that.
There is a instability.
That has to reverse. Because a clear message who can give? Only central leadership. So he is the central leader. Let him give.
थँक्यू.
मायनिंगची कोणी किती सांगले
काही ना प्रत्येक आमदाराक विचारलं त्यांनी
वेगवेगळे